Today we have to solve a question of class 10 from chapter electricity. The question is, find the resistance between the point A and B in the circuit given. So this is a circuit and you can see there are 4 resistors, and this is resistor 1, resistor 2, this is resistor 3, this is resistor 4, and you have to find out the net resistance between the point A and B, between these 2 points. And you can see here resistor 2, resistor 3 and resistor 4, they are connected in series with each other, and as a whole they are connected with resistor 1 in parallel. So first you have to find out the net resistance in series for resistor 2, 3 and 4. That means Rs, that will be equals to R2 plus R3 plus R4. So R2 is given 2 ohm, R3 is given 2 ohm and R4 is given 2 ohm. So this will be 6 ohm. The net resistance of R2, R3 and R4, as they are connected in series, the resistance will be 6 ohm. And here the diagram can be reduced to this is R1, that is 6 ohm, and Rs, that is 6 ohm. They are connected in parallel, and you have to find out the point A and B, what will be the net resistance. And here the resistor R1 and Rs, they are connected in parallel. So to find out the resistance in parallel, you have to use the formula 1 divided by Rp, that will be equals to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by Rs. And here R1 and Rs are given 6 ohm. So this will be 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 6. So that will be 2 divided by 6. And you have to find out Rp. So Rp will be 6 divided by 2, that is 3 ohm. So here the resistance R between the point A and B will be 3 ohm. This will be the required answer. The resistance between the point A and B in the given circuit diagram is 3 ohm. Thank you.